Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. So today's video is going to be about using dark mode on Snapchat. I have already made videos on how to use dark mode on Facebook and Instagram, so you can check that out as well. Now, as you know that Snapchat doesn't offer an inbuilt option to enable dark mode, and even the dark mode option that is inbuilt in most of the mobile devices doesn't work on Snapchat. So what is the option now? Let's begin with the video and see how you are gonna get the dark mode on Snapchat. Alright, to enable dark mode on Snapchat, I will give you two options. So you can use the one that works with your mobile device. Alright, so the first option is to use the inbuilt dark mode that is provided with most of the mobile devices. So you just have to scroll down this menu right here, and here you can look for the option dark mode, or what you can do is you can go to settings, and here in the display section we'll get the option to set the theme as dark, and this will enable the dark mode for your entire phone for all the applications you have. But if you will open Snapchat, you will see that it is still showing in the white mode, right? So what you have to do is you just have to go to settings again, and here search for developer options. Now here you have to scroll down and look for one option that says force dark mode. So here is the option force dark mode. You have to toggle this on, and this will force the applications on your mobile device to use the dark mode even if they don't support it. But as I have enabled it, but still it is not showing the Snapchat in the dark mode. Alright, so this is not working for me. It may work for you. You can check it on your own. Alright, now the second option is to download one app from the Android Play Store. Alright, so what you have to do is just go to Play Store, and you have to search for night mode app, and here is the app that you have to use. So I have already installed it on my device. Alright, you can also install it, and first of all I will disable the dark mode of my mobile device, and then I will show you if it works for Snapchat or not. So I have installed the app already. Now here is the app. Simply open it, and as you can see the start button as well as the brightness level. So you can also increase the brightness level or decrease it if you want using this option, or to put your phone on dark mode, simply press the start button. So yeah, as you can see my phone has gone into dark mode. This is not the dark mode exactly, but it will reduce the brightness of your screen so that it will not strain your eyes. And now if you will open Snapchat, as you can see it has also reduced the brightness of the screen. So the Snapchat is still in light mode, but as you can see the brightness has reduced so that you can use it at night without straining your eyes. So this is another method using which you can enable dark mode for Snapchat. It is not exactly dark mode, but it will just do the work of dark mode. Alright, also if you want to disable the dark mode, you just have to go back to the app, night mode app, and simply tap this option stop, and it will just bring back the light mode on your Android device. So that was how you can simply enable dark mode for Snapchat on Android devices, and hopefully Snapchat will bring its own dark mode feature in the future. If this helped you, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be back soon with a new video.